In this video, I'll give the ultimate guide on how you can use Repostify.io to repost your shorts to multiple platforms without you having to lift a finger. It'll be reposting everything you post in the background for you so you can grow effortlessly and everywhere. Even if you're a complete beginner, this video is going to be a step-by-step guide on how you can use Repostify.io to create a connection, create an automation, and then make it permanently repost for you. This video will have it all, so let's get straight to it. So first of all, let's head over to Repostify.io, and then here in the website you can either choose to try Repostify for free in the desktop version, or you can use the mobile app. So in this video I'm going to be clicking the try Repostify for free. Here in the login page you can either choose to sign in with Google, or you can register an account and then choose to log in that way. But for this purposes I'm going to sign in with Google. Okay. Now that I'm in Repostify, the first thing it'll tell me to do is to start connecting my social media accounts. So it's really important that before we start creating any automations, that we need to create a connection between all of the accounts. So Repostify acts like a single hub that will make all of these social media platforms communicate with each other. So I'm going to click Start Connecting. And then here are all the social media platforms you can choose to link so you can have it reposted to different platforms. So first of all, let's connect our accounts. So there are toggle buttons here, and all you have to do is just click the toggle button to connect your accounts. So I'm going to connect Instagram. So here at Repostify, we follow every single rule that every platform requires of us, so we're able to repost safely and securely. So for Instagram, there's this rule that your Instagram profile should be a business account or a creator account, and you should be an admin of a Facebook page. If you don't know how to do that, then there's a quick 2-minute tutorial. It literally takes like 2 minutes to do all of this. So my account is already a business and a creator account, and I'm already an admin of a Facebook page. So I'm going to start connecting. So I'm going to log in using my Facebook. And remember that we're already natively in Facebook. So Repostify does not use or see any of your passwords. All you're doing is asking for permission. So this is natively Facebook already. Here, you can choose to reconnect, but just for more detail, you can choose exactly which Facebook page you want to connect to. So I'm going to use Binge Dietitian because that's my Facebook page. And then just keep on going further. Now we're going to get back to the Repostify account. It'll double check that you actually wanted to connect Facebook. Yep, Binge Dietitian. And then it'll ask which Instagram account you want to link. So I'm going to use Binge Dietitian again here. Alright, there we are. It asks you a few more steps because remember, Instagram and Facebook are part of Meta. They have to communicate with each other if you want to use the full reposting capabilities. Now I'm going to connect my TikTok, which is Binge Dietitian, and I'm going to click here. Alright, now we're successfully connected to TikTok, and sometimes the OAuth, which is a way of getting permission to each platform, which is how Repostify connects each platform, doesn't require a password all the time. If you're already logged into TikTok, then that's all you need to do. So now we're going to connect, let's say, X. And once again, don't have to enter any password. I'm already logged into my X account, which is already here. And let's say I'm going to connect Facebook, because I might as well connect Facebook since I'm connecting Instagram. So I can also connect even more platforms, like I can connect Google Drive as well. So Google Drive, as we know, is not a social media platform, but whenever you want to be reposted, like an Instagram video to different platforms like Google Drive, it'll ask me to create a folder here. It'll be saved here, like I could just type in Repostify storage for videos, something like that. All of the videos that you post on Instagram, for example, will be reposted to Google Drive. I could do the same for Blue Sky, Dropbox, and multiple platforms, but for the sake of time, I'm just going to show you a few connections. So now that these platforms are all connected to each other, they're able to communicate with each other. Let's head over to automations. Oh, and by the way, you can head over to analytics to double check which pages are actually connected. You can also see your posts here and see your stats. So here, Instagram, Binge Dietitian, and TikTok should be Binge Dietitian as well. And then X, well, they don't allow you to see the videos here due to compliance purposes. And Facebook, can head over here. And then I can see also in Google Drive what videos are here. So let's head over to automations. Might seem like a lot, but remember, there's only just 3 pages. So connect your accounts, then create an automation. So you can see here, source is where you're going to be posting your videos manually. So let's say every time I post a video on Instagram, a reel or a short, I want Repostify to automatically repost it to these platforms without me doing anything. I don't even have to log into these platforms. So you can see here that every time I post on Instagram, it's going to be reposted to X, Facebook, Drive, and TikTok. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be posting a video, this video. I'm going to be posting it in Instagram. So I'll put a caption like an important reminder. But basically it says an important reminder. I'm going to post it on Instagram and I'm going to press the share button. So now all we have to do is, well, do nothing. Now we just have to wait. So Repostify should post the video to multiple different platforms, to X, Facebook, Drive, and TikTok. So all we have to do is just wait and then we'll see the videos pop up. So now if I get back into Repostify, you could see that Instagram is currently reposting to these platforms. I can head over to analytics so I can see the progress of this. So I can see here in Instagram, the video is already posted here, 1,200 calories. And then I can head over to TikTok and see, nope, nothing there yet. And then Facebook, oh, there it is. There's one in Facebook. And then in Google Drive, it should be here as well. So let's see if it's done reposting. Yep, so it's all done reposting. So I'm going to confirm this. Let me show you what it actually looks like. So if I head over here in Instagram, I can see that the video I manually posted is here. Now I'm going to head over to X and I'm just going to refresh it. I can see the video is here. That's really, really good. And then I can see the video in Drive. What did I call it again? Storage for videos. The video is here as well. Well, it's being processed, but you know it's here. And finally, Facebook. I'm going to refresh this. It's basically here. An important reminder. So that's essentially what Repostify is in a nutshell. So if you post on one platform, then it'll always post it to multiple platforms for you. So it might sound simple, but imagine if you're posting multiple times a day. If you're a content creator and you're fed up with posting to different platforms, logging in, retyping the descriptions again and again and again. And if you want to get the full capabilities of Repostify, then if you could connect all of your platforms here, Instagram, let's say you want to post on Instagram and you want it to be reposted to TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, X, Blue Sky, Facebook, Google Drive, then it'll be a reposting engine. You can post as much as possible. So if you want to use Repostify for free, then you can make an account right now for free and check the link in the description so you can connect your first 4 platforms for free. If you want to grow everywhere in social media, you have to be everywhere. You have to post everywhere. Gone are the days of focusing on one platform because there are so many automation tools that if you're a single-handedly posting content creator that's only focusing on one platform and then your competitors are posting everywhere 5 times a day, you're gonna get washed out. If you want to win the game of content creation, it's all about quantity and quality. You should be focusing on quality. Repostify will focus on quantity for you. So head over to the link in the description and make sure to follow and subscribe if you want more videos on how to use Repostify.